Good afternoon. Pacific regions. My name is Natalia Carmona. I am 32 years old and I am tourist guide. Today I will take you on a tour valuable information about our country, both in regions and in biodiversity and geographic. This is geographical characteristic. It is a natural region and ecoregion and tropical forest in the Pacific Basin has unprotected area. 7 national parks and its surface is 83,170 kilometers, 7% of the national territory. Cities: Buenaventura, Tumaco, Quibdó, Guapi de Mica, and its climate is tropical, humid, and monsoon. This is located in the western fringes of the country, limited on the north with Panama, to the northwest with the Caribbean regions, to the west with the western Mons range that separates it from the Andes regions, to the south with Ecuador, and to the west with the Pacific Ocean, from where takes its name. This is part of the biographic Chocó and divided into two large areas marked by Cape Currents. The main cities are Buenaventura, Tumaco, and Quibdó. To the north, this territory is dominated by altitude. Mountains areas Suc and the Boudou mountain range, the Darien mountain range, and the foothills of the Buerer mountain range. Chocó, the only department whose territory is 90% within the regions. The only Colombian department was cause oceans, and the edge is touch the foothills on the western cordillera. Very Julio and November of each year, the Colombian Pacific coast in the essence of the unparalleled spectacle. The visit of Humbug Wallis, which travel around 80,500 kilometers from Atlantic to the West water on the area on the country to take and high vary to their joints, tourism increase and tide time. This is an regions wide and immense ecological, hydrographic, meanings and forestry health in Western and Natural National Park. This is also the main land of Afro-Colombian culture and the numerous Indo-American tribes that were called Chocoes by the Spanish at the time of the quest. Although the terminus includes linguistic families of different origins. The coastal line places Colombia in front of the large ocean in the world, and which is a vital international mirror ground for its developer. To the north, the territory is dominated by my latitude mountains areas. Such and the Bows mountain range, the Darien mountain range, and the foothills of the Western mountain range. The region is crossed by Mirror and Deep Rive, Suc, and the Atrato, the San Juan, the Baudo, the Mira, and the Patia. Some of them constitute the only communication routes in the predominant Jolly regions. This is very important to note that the majority of progress and survivors is based on rivers. This is a region wide the immense ecological, hydrographic, geographic health, which these are natural national park. The humid tropical July climate prevails throughout the geographic while temperatures of 24 degrees and years round. Rains occur throughout the years. The year is wet and dry season. Lloro, Departamento de Chocó, one of the rainiest areas in the world. Thank you. I'm sorry for my pronunciation. Thank you, teacher. It is one of the unexplored territories of the Pacific and is characterized by its abundant natural wealth. It has surface area 942 kilometers and is a corridor for whales and a feeding area for migratory birds, Mador's Nest Beach for turtle and Cerberus, Ensenada de Utria. Thank you.